Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool AT&T 2554 wall telephone, and this is Tim's equipment from MT, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. We want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this telephone. Tim's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about the keypad will not dial out, and there is no receive. It's so low you can barely make out any type of receive. So we need to troubleshoot the keypad, the network, and we also want to troubleshoot the issue with no audio. We also know that there's some corrosion on the spade connectors at the network. The network is improperly wired, so we want to reconfigure the wiring. We want to take a look at the bell connections and the bell. We also want to troubleshoot the handset cord and the transmitter and the receiver. So we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. So we have a lot of different issues that need to be looked at. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool AT&T wall telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We have it taped to the telephone because that's where the network is located, and we can pick up our audio, but we're also just going to set our handset up against the pickup. And we use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is go ahead and hang our handset up, and we'll plug our line cord in, and we'll ring the unit with the analyzer like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move our line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, May 9th. The current time, 3:10 p.m. and the temperature, 73 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool AT&T 2554 wall telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Tim and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.